Hey guys, welcome back to Tip Tuesday. My name is Matthew Sturkey with Stone Mill Log and Timber Homes. Thanks for joining us today. The last couple of weeks we've been talking about spring cleaning, about some maintenance things that you can be doing for your log or timber frame home. And I want to stay on that same topic, but I want to talk about how it relates to design and some of the design elements that you can incorporate into your home that will help you lower long-term maintenance. And I want to talk about 5 things today that I feel like are really important. There's a lot of things that are really important, but 5 essentials in essence that I feel are really important in order to help you lower long-term maintenance. And the first one is going to be good overhangs. Make sure that you have at least 2-foot minimum overhangs on your design and on your home. This is essential for providing protection for porches and for gable ends and for eaves. The second item is make sure you have covered porches. Covered porches are something that really help to lower long-term maintenance. I'm not saying put covered porches all the way around the house. If you do, certainly that will be great and will be helpful. But covered porches in strategic locations will help to protect the structure long-term. The third item is make sure that you get the structure up off finished grade at least 24 to 30 inches. You want to help try to create some separation between the log structure or the timber frame structure and finished grade to prevent splash. This goes for any type of siding material, goes for any type of wood finish where you want separation to prevent that splash from occurring. And then the fourth item is going to be shade. Now, it's important to have trees. It's important to have shade. I'm not saying, leave a tree 5 feet from your home. Create enough separation, enough fire remediation, so to speak, that those trees don't become a problem with your house long term, or don't drop needles on top of your roof or leaves all the time so that they become a burden. But get enough separation there to maintain some proper shade in the afternoon and that late afternoon sunlight, so that that sun's not just beating down on the home. And then the fifth and final item is solar orientation. Make sure you're thinking about what direction that house is going to be facing so that you can strategically plan for overhangs and you can strategically plan for covered porches. If you've got a southwest face and you don't have any cover or you don't have good overhangs there, make sure you take those things into consideration. Those are 5 of many things that are design essentials that will help to lower long-term maintenance, and I hope that's been helpful. If you have any questions about design essentials, feel free to call our sales department. We can help you through that. We're happy to help you as well through the design process with that, and that's what we do with our clients. So hopefully this has been helpful today. Thanks for joining us for Tip Tuesday. We look forward to you joining us next week for more Tip Tuesday. In the meantime, stay safe and healthy, and we'll see you next week. Take care.